Take a ride in the 2020 CX-30. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, stability control, power brakes, rear bumper protector, PIO. Inside you'll find rear view camera, driver attention alert system, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio digital sound processing, audio internet radio, Stitcher, audio internet radio, AHA, Mazda Connect, satellite communications, audio speed sensitive volume control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.